Today I am painting the stairs. This is my paintbrushes, my paint. I have started. I put the tape down so I don't mix this color with this color. And this is what it looks like now. This is what it is going to look like when I'm done. This is the first coat. This is the primer. So I'm priming it so I can paint it. It's going to be painted white. But this is where we are with this. I'll bring you back some more info when it's done. See? This is what it's going to be like. This is what it is now. It's brown wood color like, and then I'm going to bring it to white. So I'm priming everything now. My tape is down, my towels are down, and this is what I'm doing today. First day of painting, so I primed everything I can. This is day one, so I'm just showing you what I have primed and half of the other one. So this is what's left from this one and then the small one upstairs. But day one priming is done. Tomorrow, God's willing, when I wake up, I will finish priming this little bit and the other piece over there, which is not a big piece. While that's drying, I will come back downstairs and put the paint, a coat of paint on the one that's already primed. So that's it. I will talk to you all soon on day 2. Bye. This is all the rags I have on the side to prevent the paint, the paint and the primer from going on the stairs that we just had done. We painting this to match the stairs, and it's starting to take shape, but it's not complete. This is day 2 of me painting. Yesterday I put the first coat with the primer on. Today this is the second coat. I want to give it 2 more coats to make sure it is well done, but this is what it's looking like with the second coat. Well, first day was painting. This is the first coat. Not quote, coat. First paint coat on the railings. So this one has the first coat. But this one up here, it's not finished. You have to get the ladder. And then over here, if you look here, you'll see this is the first coat, like the primer coat, not the paint coat. So we're coming along, day 2. Hey everyone, good morning. Cindy, your makeup here. It's not a makeup video on my face, but I am painting my railings. This one, day 1 and 2, prime and then put the first coat on the second day. This is day 3. All of this have been primed except this because I have to do a ladder for the other section over here. But this is day 3, so now I'm doing the first coat on this side. And you might not be able to see me. Trying to bring you closer. You might not be able to see me, but you might be able to see a little of what I'm doing. I'm painting for the 3rd day. This is my vlog. 3rd day painting. I don't remember where I left off. I will not show you the whole thing. I just want you to see this is what I'm doing for the last couple days. Wake up in the morning, do my exercise, and then paint this railing because I want it to match these new steps that they just put in for us. It is in white, so now I want the banister, railing, whatever name you call it, in your part of the woods, in the neck of your woods, like they used to say back in the day, in the neck of your wood. painting this. And it is quiet. The first day I listened to, I was like, let me go back to some old 80s music. So I went and I looked for Madonna. I played a couple Madonna songs. I was like, wow, this is old. And then day 2, I decided, okay, I'll play some Boy George. That song so old also. I was like, oh my God. Then I changed that. And I played some Lucky Dube, and I love Lucky Dube. I saw him many times in concert before he died. So that was good. And then today's day 3. No one's home right now. And it is about 11 o'clock in the morning. I started at 10 because I woke up at 8, exercised, had breakfast, and now I'm doing this. And today I am not playing any music. This is so relaxing. I love doing stuff like that. It's relaxing, it's quiet, it is just nice and peaceful. Even when they're home, I don't hear them much when they're home. Because they're grown people, they do their own things. But today no music, it's just me, my brush, and my paint. That's it. And we're just gonna just stay in the quiet and just cleanse the mind, cleanse the soul. I love peace, I love quietness. I also love friends and like laughter and joy and talk and bring back memories. But I also enjoy my quiet time. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm not going to be showing you everything because it's going to take all day. I didn't do my face, but I put on my lipstick. I'm like, I gotta have some kind of makeup on because, I don't know what writing this. I made this a while back. I'll see you later. Day 3, I gotta try finish this thing. Okay, so I can get back to my makeup full face. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 4 of my painting the railing project, my DIY. This is the railing completely done on this side and on this side. But now I have to go on this side, which is higher, so I'm gonna be on the ladder to finish that. And then I will be doing the baseboards. I did this baseboard already. I just have to finish the rest of the baseboards. Like this baseboard has a first prime, one has a prime. I have to do the other one. All the baseboards going up stairs, I have to do them so they can match my DIY project that I did. So this is what I'm doing. This is the last little bit of section left. This is day 4. I saved it for last because I'm gonna do this and then do all the baseboards that leading from the beginning of the stairs all the way upstairs. So watch me paint a little. I am very careful. It is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying it. And I'll just do a little bit. I won't let you watch the whole thing, okay? This is me climbing. I have my lipstick on, honey. I didn't have time to do makeup, but I put my lipstick on because I want to feel fabulous while I paint. As you can see, I have my painter stick down, which is lifting up already. I usually use this on my t-shirts when I'm doing t-shirts to hold the stuff down. But I am being very careful, so. Now my butt is on it. Hopefully you watch what I'm doing and not my butt. get this clip to stay, but for some reason it wants to get out. But it will stay, I'll make it stay. This is the first. As you can see, all of this will be one color, and I'll come back to show you. When it's all done, I'll do the final video and then I'll put it up so you can see the whole project. I promise it won't be too long because I didn't film everything. Again, I will see you soon. See, this is why I'll be painting the baseboards. Some of them are different colors than what I need it to be. I want it to match the white. This is now what the entrance will look like. It is all painted in white. So now it matched the stairs. From brown to white, I did the baseboards. Everything turned out nice.